pharmacists, we know that cough medicines don't usually work. So I'm gonna make one out of some things that you probably have in your house. I'm gonna start with 3/4 of a cup of raw organic honey. Make sure it's good quality. Then I'm gonna add 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. And then the juice of 2 lemons go in next. Next I'm gonna add a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Finally, 1/4 teaspoon of ground ginger, and I'm gonna whisk this all together really good. When it's done, it looks like that, and then I'm just gonna put it in a jar. 1 to 2 tablespoons whenever you need it to help you stop coughing. I think you guys will like this. It'll probably work well too. Believe it or not, it even tastes good.